Ebi bigambirwa obwitendekero lya masiti yabitaje lya Applied Science and Technology hamwe na Computing and Informatics babiri nibakingaho empaka z'okworesa ebyokuhangahangaho oguhira rwa mukaga itaje rukuru lya Kihumuro muri MBARARA City. Kandi omukoro ogwo gubire gukuriwe Professor Charles Kwesiga mukuru wa Uganda Industrial Research Institute. Abana bajangwe genderwa chamwenda cha Sustainable Development Goal ninga zete SDGs kigenderire kureba ngu abaho kurakurana kw'amakorero hamwe no kwinegeza byo kuhangahangaho konka bakugu nibagira ngo iki kibaso butashyikirira gavumenti ya Uganda yabeta katire sente zikumara mu byo kuhangahangaho.
Our prototypes do not get to the market. And we have interesting brains here at MAST, which have always put effort to make this work. But we are trying to work out the strategies that can help you to commercialize these products and have them to the market.
Nagira ngu kuhitendekero nirubaho bakaiza kutunga billion emwe eyokora okuchondoza no kuhangahangaho ninga byete research and innovation kunkangu nazo ninche bashabire Professor Kwesiga kubatera yiraka wa President Museveni.
Research and Innovation Fund, it is still very significant but appreciated. We got 1 billion Uganda shilling, but we believe that in all countries that more is needed. So I'm really requesting you, humble Professor, that in your conversation, you alert the President that MAST is not a joking subject.
Innovation is taking place, but the only one big challenge is how to commercialize these innovations.
Bamahabeje abetabira umumpakezi bagizire ngu nabashanga obuzubuhango okushanga ngo ebitekateko byabo nibikomaha kusinga ebibuzo konka.
Project sense kuzikora zikomare wa university tumara graduating project zero but okucha kubiriki government is supporting these ideas but supporting for starting these projects from these working prototypes to real world.
So as a request, I just call upon government, the Ministry of Science and Technology, to invest in universities, invest in innovation.
To demoralize akuba ntuteka mesente zitu kitwa bana.
Professor Charles Kwesiga azengo hariho abantu abarukushanga bahebwa sente zo kutungura ebya kanyabwengye byabo konka baba batine cyandiko ekirukwereke kitekateko cyeye ninga cyete proof of concept.
We should avoid such fantasy and be as realistic as possible.
Bimuha byo kuhangahangaho ebyatabiro mu mwoleso ogu hari mutoto safe carrier for oxygen therapy and vital sign monitoring bed to platform yo kutungura abana barukuzarwa hamwe na web based child immunization information management system hamwe n'ezindi. Kandi abasingire bakwasibwe medali hamwe na za certificate okubasima. Ahabwa TV West and Adolf Firek.